All right, chapter 20. We are going to finish the year talking about electricity and magnetism. So we are going to we got about 4 chapters, and we're going to be dealing with electricity, a little bit about magnetism. Section 20.1 is really just going to be a good introduction to electricity. It should be a good review. Now, the one thing about electricity is not a lot of us know a whole lot about electricity. Yeah, it lights light bulbs up and it provides our power for cell phones and everything else, but where does it come from? How does it act? Those are the questions that a lot of people don't know about electricity. So we're going to kind of talk about it here in the next couple chapters. Electrostatics is just a definition given to the study of electrical charges that can be held in one place. Charged objects. When we're talking about electricity, it's the flow of a charged object. We have positive charges and we have negative charges. Likes repel. Just like two sides of a magnet, we're going to be talking about magnets. Likes repel and opposites attract. Charges are caused by electrons moving. So charges are caused by moving electrons, which are negatively charged. And we have positive and negative charges. If we have negative charges, we have in excess of electrons. If we have positive charge, we are lacking electrons. Remember that from kind of a chemistry perspective. If we look at charge real quick, it's very similar to gravity. You have attraction of particles in a force field. So a neutral atom, remember a neutral atom has the same number of positive protons as negative electrons. If that number changes, it's going to change the charge of that atom. Charge is always conserved in the mechanism. If one object gains a negative charge, another one loses it. Lastly, when we review here, this should be pretty simple. You should have covered this about 17 times in your high school career so far. Conductors and insulators. Insulators is a material in which the charge will not move through easily. So glass, wood, plastic, cloth, and dry air. Conductors, the exact opposite, something which charge is going to move through very, very easily. Mostly metals, plasma, graphite, right, are all excellent conductors. So there's just kind of a quick overview and review of what you'll need for electricity in section 20.1.